Okay, ladies and gentlemen, Roro 82 here. Welcome to the second stop on the CSX Homestead Subdivision, the abandoned part of it. This is Southwest 147th Avenue, and I'm going to include a Google Maps link to this location. Here you can see that the gates were removed, signals folded upward. The wire that fed the lights was hanging there. And then here you can see the evidence of its inactivity. This is facing southwest, and these bags here are all full of sacrificed chickens, so the smell here is just lovely. Picture a dirty diaper with a dead rat. These are indeed the original rails from 1926. They're rusted extremely. This is the sad part of this hobby. Like, you see all the wasted potential and the wasted history here. It's sort of heartbreaking. Yeah, this is extremely dense. I'm not gonna venture to walk over there anymore. Today I came in shorts, and I do not know what lurks in there. Looks like a sugarcane field. Okay, now let's make our way back to the crossing. So right now I am walking northeast. This track was built in 1926 by Seaboard Air Line. Then Seaboard Air Line turned into Seaboard Coast Line. Then Seaboard Systems, and eventually CSX. There's my baby, and there's that first crossing that I filmed. This is 147th Avenue. Like I said, I'm gonna include a Google. Look at the pavement crossing, the grade crossing. And this is, like I said, track view northeast. I bet you this was a hardcore rail fan that came and put in this mattress over here so they can get a good bird's eye view of the train as it passed. Here we see some more sacrifices to the saints. Very dense shrubs along the line. Yeah, you can. So last year when I came, the line was visible. It still sort of is, but not really. We've had a lot of rain lately, so there you go, more sacrifice to the saints. I'm guessing next year when I come, you're not gonna be able to notice that there was a track here. Here we see milepost 56. The relay case. And there's no power to the relay case, as you can see there. me show you guys the second signal. All the signals are folded upwards. Safe tran gate mechanism. Safe tran signal base. Emergency contact info. And then we see some discarded rails over here. Beautiful. Righty guys, thank you for coming along with me. Leave me some comments, let me know what you think about the regression on this line. Take care. Over and out. Actually, you know, I've been told that that's wrong to say, because that's a, so let me just say, take care, see you later.